Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw watermelon. Watermelon is a sweet, juicy fruit that fun and delicious to eat, especially on hot day. It's big and round with a thick green skin on the outside. When you cut it open, you will find the inside is a bright red or a pink color with little black seeds. Watermelons are mostly made of water, which make them super refreshing. They grow on vines in warm, sunny places, and they are one of the most popular summer fruit. People often enjoy eating watermelon slices at picnics. Some even blend it into yummy watermelon juice. Did you know watermelon is not just tasty but also very healthy? It has lot of vitamins like vitamin C, which helps keep us strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.